Hey guys, Michelle here. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing video for you guys, and this time I am going to unbox the Boxycharm for the month of November. So without further ado, let's get started. So for those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription beauty box. I mean, now in 2019, almost 2020, who doesn't know what Boxycharm is? You know what I'm talking about. So for those of you who don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription and you have to pay $25 every month, and it goes down, of course, if you commit to a longer subscription, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. It is up to you. And also, let me just double check because I don't want to give wrong information. So for $25, they give a 5 full-size items inside, and sometimes they do have promo, whereas they give you a free gift, which I have in here. So yeah, so this is the November box, so let us go and open this bad boy, and I cannot wait. I've been very excited, and today is 7th of November. Right there you will say hello charmers and hashtag Boxycharm. This is what our Boxycharm look like for this month. And here we have the Boxycharm Cellular, and ooh, we have discount code. We got Dragon Beauty and Natasha Denona. And at the back you have other information about Boxy Lux, Boxy Pop-Up, and your customization. So I know that this month they have the Boxycharm Premium. I did get one. I'm still on the waiting list. Boxycharm, if you're watching, please take me out because I really cannot wait to receive my premium box. So the first one we have is so I'm gonna put this down because I don't want to like hold it the entire time, but the box is very well secured and cannot wait. So here we have Pretty Vulgar. It is an undercover lightweight concealer. So these are mini sizes, as you can see. So this one has 4 different shades, and it says here complexion customization. So it says that if you got the Becca or the Pretty Vulgar complexion pack in your November box, you have to swatch them and go to their website and then write down or fill up the form which complexion is actually a match for you. So I'm the type of shade that is very difficult to find because I have like, sometimes I mix shade around. So I think if I were to conceal dark spots, it would be this one. Or this one, yeah, this one. And if I were to highlight, it's gonna be this one. So this is not included in the like 5 deluxe package. You know, it's just their complexion customization for them to know what is good for you. I think they're gonna have the Pretty Vulgar concealer next time, and I cannot wait. So, and the next one I have here is, ooh, this is from Tula Skincare. It is a probiotic and superfood brightening and nourishing mask. I'm a really sucker for masks. If you just see all of those like behind me, you'll see I have a bunch of masks in there. And so this is a nourishing and brightening cosmic hydrogel mask, and I cannot wait to use this one. So there are 4 ingredients in this mask, and one is probiotics, which help calm the look of inflammation and aid in moisture retention. And the number 2 is a grapefruit. It is good for antioxidant and superfood that brightens the appearance of skin. And the third one is gotu kola. I think I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. It's a herb that conditions the skin and helps improve the look of elasticity. And the last one is chamomile, which calms, soothes, and help relieves the look of tiredness. So they sell this for a pack of 4 for $28. Since we have 2 masks and it's $7 each. So in total we have $14 worth of masks. So that's one. And let's go to the next one. Ooh, I'm so excited. All right, so we have the Celestial Thunder. All right, so this is why I got the November box, because I saw this palette and I'm like, I gotta have this. All right, so it is a beautiful palette. I've been seeing this everywhere and I was like, I can't wait, I can't wait. I want to get this palette, I want to get this palette. Like, I know I can get it, but for this palette, let me see if I'm correct. For this palette, it's and I'm paying for this box with other deluxe items for $25. So duh, of course I'll go for this one. So this is what the palette look like. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness, those colors, those colors. You know, I do want to get the bigger one because in the bigger one they have more colors. But oh my goodness, there's so much things I can do with this palette. I cannot wait. So this is the Celestial Thunder by Dominique Cosmetics, and I cannot wait to get started playing with this palette. So I'm not going to swatch everything for you since I want this to be strictly, you know, Boxycharm unboxing, but it's satisfying. So let me go ahead and swatch like a very perfect color. So let's go with the Fireball. So I want to get Fireball. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Focus on it. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. And let's go ahead and swatch another one, which is Lucid Dream, which is this very fuchsia pink. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. See, I'm already thinking of an eye makeup look, which is this 2 color. I'm so excited. And let's go for the Mystic Eyes. Let's watch that thing. Oh my gosh, it is so pigmented. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them one time on my hand to let you know what it looks like and how pigmented are they really. So this is no edit, no anything, one swatch. Are you guys seeing this? Oh my goodness. Pigment. Okay, so that's that. And ooh, so this is one of the freak. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I'm so excited for this one. I do have a lot of Tarte palettes. I actually was just using one right now to contour my face. See, this is the one that I'm using. The Tarte Pro Glow palette, which has the contour and the highlight. So I have another one. Do I really need another one? Yes, I do. So I have the Tarte High Performance Natural Park Ave Princess. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. It is a chisel palette ombre contour. So let us go ahead. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. All right, so for I think this one alone is already $45. So this is $45. So, oh my goodness, we're getting a lot of product for just $25. Okay, so this is what, oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. The camera doesn't do this justice, I swear. It is very, very beautiful. It's very pink. It's very me. I love the packaging. It's so cute. They have like this. I'm obsessed with this now. This croc style thingy. This reminds me of like YSL bag, which I'm going to make another video for that because I just purchased my very first own YSL bag and I cannot wait. So yeah, this one reminds me of that, and oh my goodness, the packaging is just so beautiful. So let's go ahead and open it. It's not like I don't know what it looks like. I do know what it looks like because I keep eyeing on this palette. Woo! Dropped the plastic. Okay, so So these are all powder. So it says here, oh, that is so cute. It says tart on the top and it says chiseled like a diamond. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. You see that? So the good thing about powder contour is that you can control it however you want. It's not like cream contour. Cream contour is just really, really hard to control compared to the powder. So yes, I cannot wait. This is such a beautiful palette that's gonna go in my collection, and I'm so happy. Yes. Oh, it's so pretty. Go look at that. Oh my goodness. So this one again is $45. We're already like $100 plus here. So I'm gonna put it to the side over here. And let's go see what's next. Oh my gosh, I really, really love unboxing videos. And I love watching them as much as I love making them. So here we have Juice Beauty. So this is one of the things that I actually saw. See, one of the things that I was hoping that I would get was the Versali serum, but because they didn't approve, or I'm still on the waiting list for the premium, you only get to have that if you have a premium and the Boxycharm box. So, right, so I didn't get that. So this is the Juice Beauty, the Organic Solution Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. So I've heard so many good things about this product, and I heard it is actually very pricey. So for 15 ml, it is actually $50 US. That's how expensive this bad boy is, but I've seen a lot of good reviews, and the applicator is just super cute. I'm not gonna go ahead and swatch this one just because it is a skincare product and there's no point of putting it on my hand and tell you how it feels. However, if you do want me to make a review on this one, do let me know, and I'm gonna make an entire review dedicated to this product because I've seen a lot of before and after videos. So it says here, it's a proprietary blend of fruit stem cells and vitamin C infused into certified organic antioxidant rich botanical juice, works to reduce the appearance of dark circles. Oh, okay, so I can use this one. I thought this is only for, like, you know, wrinkles, but it also for dark circles as well as fine lines under the eyes for lasting advanced age-defying results. All right, so yeah, go ahead. I can use like every single day and let you know a before and after video on this one. Comment down below. So that's that. I'm gonna put that to the side again. And do we have any more? I have two more. Oh my gosh, it's ending and it's so sad. So we have another product that I actually haven't tried. It is CoverFix. So this is the glitter drops in shade Nova. So I don't know why. I've been always looking at CoverFix, and it's a very, very popular thing that a lot of people use. And oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. The shade is perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. I like how Boxycharms, every single thing I receive from them is just like a perfect shade. There's not a thing that I got from them and be like, here, go have it. I don't want it. Put it out there. Give it away. You know, I always want to keep them because, oh my goodness, that's so beautiful. So this is a highlighter, so you can use it underneath the makeup. So focus on this one. So you can use it underneath the makeup, or you can use it on as a highlighter. So to have that glowing effect. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to use this one. It's so beautiful. So this one is 15 ml and it is retailed for $44. Really? $44 for this size? Holy shit, okay. I'm sorry, I didn't know that. Again, if I'm wrong, I'm gonna put it on the screen and I'll let you know. But it says here it's $44 when I researched for it. So alright, so this is very, very good. Another Win product, and I cannot wait to use that. And dose of color. So most of this product that I have here are products that I haven't tried or are not in my collection. So the last one we have is Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick. Oh my goodness, I'm a sucker for this one. Oh my gosh, I think this is my shade. This is like my comfort zone shade. It is like a rosy pink color, like I mean the color here, but the name of it is Nude Mood. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Oh my gosh. Again, I don't have, do I have any Dose of Colors? I think I have them in minis, but I never really did. Oh my goodness. So beautiful. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? That is just super cute. Okay, so let me go ahead and swatch this one. Oh my gosh, I think this is my color. And it looks similar to what I'm wearing right now, but let me go ahead and swatch this. Oh my gosh. I'm a sucker for a nude color, and it's just like, it's my everyday go-to shade. As you can see, it is a very, very beautiful nude color. It's a rosy nude color. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. I know. All of this product to me, I said everything was cute because they are to me. It actually reached my expectation and even exceeded my expectation in this November box. I cannot wait for the December box, and I wish it's December already. So these are all of the items that I have. So all in all, the reason why I go for subscription boxes is because I love makeup. I love trying different types of makeup, skincare, you name it. And all of those are all my collections of makeup and skincare. And I'm just like, oh my goodness. Sometimes I get overwhelmed and don't know what to do or which to use anymore. But with all of the things that I just received from the box, all of them are just new to me except the Tarte and I think the Dose of Colors. I think I have them in sample colors. Not sure. I think I do. Excuse me. So overall, everything costs about $240. And I only paid $25 for this box. So it's a win, super win situation. Alright, so that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!